We know you're the proud owner of an 07 or newer Silverado or Sierra. We also know you're now the proud owner of a DualLiner. Let's go through the installation process step by step. In the bed of the GM trucks, you're not going to need any tools. The first step is to snap the load guard in place. Step 2 is to install the hard custom fitted sidewalls. Use 2 push pins to secure the front corner. And now do the other sidewall. Step 3 is to unroll the ZeroSkid floor. And here's the dual technology. It's combining the ZeroSkid floor with the hard sidewalls. Notice how the floor locks into the sidewall, and it's a full 3/8 thick. Because the floor is rolled in the box, it may take a couple of days to flatten out and relax in the sun. Step 4 is the tailgate panel. You're going to need a couple simple tools, a 13mm wrench and a 1/4" drill bit. First, remove the top 2 tailgate bolts. Place the tailgate panel and square it up to the tailgate itself, and then reinstall the 2 bolts. And then you're going to drill a few 1/4" holes for push pins around the perimeter. Holes are already in the panel. You just need to center and drill through. When you go to put the push pins in, don't forget to use the rust preventative that comes in the kit. A little around the hole, a little on the pin itself. Push them together, done. That's it. 4 easy steps, and now you have the world's only real truck bed protection system. Be sure you jump out to the website, DualLiner.com, and fill in your warranty registration form. The real lifetime warranty is there for your protection. Hey, now that you've seen how great DualLiner is, share this video with a friend so they can own the only bed liner that works.